Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the border color in table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the border color in this table. Firstly, click the insert the table. Go to the insert menu and click table option and insert a table. Then select the whole table. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the table design menu. Then click the pen wide and choose CPT. Then click line color option and choose the red color. Then click borders drop down menu. Choose all borders. Click outside of the table and we can see we change the border color in this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.